Dude, I'm just trying to write down things I see on this axle.
I just came over to bug Josh. Mark kicked me out of the paint room, the paint booth, so I thought I'd come over here and see what Josh was doing.
I don't know what that is or if that's even a factory marking. And then I found this here.
I'm sure he's going to need my help. Yeah. He struggles with a lot of things. What do you think the pink is? What's it say? Do you think? Any idea?
Well, I thought it was, you can tell it's all numbers. 1, 0, and then there was a number here.
I remember growing up, Mom always had these little phrases that she'd repeat. I never understood what they meant until I got older. Phrases like, the blind leading the blind. Makes perfect sense now.
So
wow.
101, 7.
It couldn't be 10 of 70 or anything, right?
Well, it could have been.
I don't know, it's a 71 car. That's all I know is it could be in 70 for a...
Exercise and futility. No idea as a kid. Perfect sense now. 10th
month would have been the production for the 71 cars. I have no idea, but yeah. Of course I'm holding it on Josh. I know exactly what those markings mean on that rear end. I'm not gonna tell Josh everything. If I tell him everything, he'll know more than I do. Lots of markings on the back, huh?
I'm gonna continue to use Darren's help, and anything that Darren does say that might spark my interest or might add to my knowing of the rear axle assembly, I'm gonna write it down.
Like, did they ever stamp any numbers?
Housing?
Oh, they did stamp in the housing?
I don't know, I'm asking you, I don't know.
I don't know.
Now that I got everything documented on my rear axle assembly of the 71 Cuda, I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up so that I can start disassembling it.
It's a lot harder to duplicate an OEM process than it is a custom process. Custom, by its very definition, means all bets are off, do whatever you want. There's no protocol to follow. OEM, original equipment manufacturing, means you have a book, you have stencils, you have a line to toe, and you will toe that line. And if you don't get it right, you'll do it again until you do.
So I just finished the rear end assembly, and I went to go grab Mark out of the paint booth, and I just kind of wandered around a little bit to look inside the booth just to see how he was doing in there on the car. He opened up the door and like slammed me right in the face.
Oh, good God,
What are
man.
you doing?
Yeah, is that how you open the door everywhere?
He knows which way the door goes. Get out of my way and go back to work, okay? Reminds me of another one Mom used to have. Stupid is as stupid does.
I got the rear end disassembled. Can you please come take a look at it? Why are you in my bubble?
Because you're like an overgrown almond roca.
Almond roca.
My main concern is, you understand that a monkey could take it apart. So it's not so much that I'm worried about taking it apart, it's that you documented everything and the assembly line markings that were on the axle. Did you or did you not do that?
Yes, I did.
Can you briefly show me what they are, because I still have work to do. It looks like he got most of the things documented that are important when you take something apart. All in all, I'd probably give him like a B+, which for him is actually really good. That's like an A for a normal person. Okay, Roca, so I'm looking for, you still need to get the sway bar disassembled and all the assembly line markings on it, but basically you're done. Then get the front K member out of the car over here and get it disassembled. Is that cool?
Yes.
Thanks, Roca.
Mark calls me Roca, which is short for almond roca, because I remind him of a cat turd in a cat box covered up with cat litter.
Is there anything in this world that I can do that would make you happy?